All right, Nick. So last time we talked about top of funnel ads. What's this week? Middle of funnel?
This week we're talking middle funnel. So like Sam said, last week we talked about the top of funnel ad structure and what it takes to have a successful top of funnel. This week we're going to dive into what it's going to take to have a successful middle funnel. So for us, I actually like to break our middle funnel into two pieces, the upper middle funnel and the lower middle funnel. So the upper middle funnel is a little bit colder than the lower. It's people who have been familiarized with themselves a little bit with your brand, with your product, but they haven't really done anything. They haven't been on your website. Maybe they just follow you on Instagram. Maybe they like the photo. Maybe they like your page on Facebook, but they haven't really done anything more than that, right? They know you socially. So we like to target those people. Give them a reason to come over to the website. Give them a reason to come check out your products and find the product that's gonna work best for them. So this is definitely different ad structure than your top of funnel because they already know who you are. They've already interacted with you in some way, so you don't need to reintroduce them. This is now where we can start implementing some of those more salesy ads that are saying, hey, come over to our website, come check us out. Come see our products, come see our collection, come see which product's gonna actually work best for you. So that's what we do for the upper of the middle funnel. Now, moving into the lower middle funnel, this is where things get really exciting because this is where we start having those big numbers. This is people who've been on your website but haven't taken action. The nice thing about this is we can start capitalizing on all your other marketing efforts as well, other than just on Facebook and Instagram. So those people who've clicked through from an email but haven't taken an action, those people who found you on Google organically or even from your Google ads, maybe it's you're running YouTube ads and people click through there but didn't actually make a purchase yet. We're able to capture all of those people, really anyone who's been on your website, and bring them back over to your website again after they see your Facebook or Instagram ad. So with these lower middle funnel ads, we're able to basically give them a message that says, hey, you already know who we are, you know what products we have, you've been on our site before, but you haven't purchased. Come on over and make your purchase. This is where you can really give them a very product specific ad, right? You're not having to introduce them to who you are, why to buy from you. You don't really need to focus on the social proof side of things. You can really focus on, okay, this is our product, come make your purchase now. So this week for the middle funnel, we talked about, what it is, but what kind of content do we want to talk about? That's the next big thing. So we know, who we're targeting, how we're targeting them, but content's going to be very important here. So last week we talked about top of funnel, how important top of funnel videos are. This week, we don't need to necessarily do top of funnel videos as much because we're not in the top of funnel anymore, we're in the middle funnel. In the middle funnel, this kind of content is going to be very specific around your products. It's very much of a sales kind of content versus that introduction to your brand content. It's stuff about your products, people using your products, or even just the product by itself. Those are the kinds of ads that are very popular and very powerful for the middle funnel. It's saying, hey, this is our product. You already know who we are. You know what we do. You know how our products are going to change your life. Here's our product. Come buy it. That's what you need to be pushing in the middle funnel, and making sure that you have it split up in those two pieces because someone who's only known you from your socials is a very different person than someone who's already been on your website. So making sure you're communicating with those two people in the appropriate way to bring them back over to the website, to encourage them to take an action is crucial. So make sure you have your middle funnel dialed in, and we'll see you next week to talk about the bottom of the funnel.